Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage automatic start of the clock in Gorenje Induction Hub. So, in the first step we have to open the settings menu, so hold the finger below the three-line button on turn it off device. Then go to the CLO, and when the mode of the automatic start of the clock is switched off, so on the 0, then the device after pressing the clock will show the time 00 and note the time elapsed since the heating field was switched on. So the number 1 is turned on, the number 0 is turned off. To apply the settings, just turn off your device, and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.